That right there was face poke. You ever had like an image where you wish you can like flip, prop, or reposition the face or head movement before? Well, face poke is actually doing that. Face poke takes a single image in and lets you reposition its head, eyebrows, and eyes and mouth into different positions. As you see right here with the Trump photo, where I can open his mouth up, I can move his head all around, I can make him look left, right, up, down, whatever, and just change the photo altogether. This can help in a lot of different situations where you may have a really good photo, but you're like, I really wish that I can move this photo so it's looking up, not down, and I wish it was based on the same picture. And you can do this from like image to image with like maybe some text and some prompt generations, but this is more keeping the same image and what you really want in it. This is based off of Live Portrait is what face poke is using, and Live Portrait is a portrait animation that aims to synthesize a lifelike video from a single source image, using it as an appearance reference with motion. So basically it's using an image and it's trying to guess like the next frame of a video. So technically what they're using here is kind of video generation, but in its early stages where it's just guessing the next frame as you're directing the face of it. And so you're getting that still image of the frame in the video technically, which I think is pretty cool. I have some examples here with Obama as well, where you see Obama looking left to right. You know, he has his speeches and stuff, looking up and down and opening his mouth to see how well it actually takes. This also highlights, as you see here, like the face, the mouth, the eyebrows. So you can really make this person do anything. As a YouTuber, this is actually, you know, kind of comes in handy because, well, now you can use your thumbnail and you can make it look any way that you want to look. If you want to make it look left, right, to get it looking at the words, or let's say you're, you know, taking a picture and your eyes are closed inside that picture. Well, now, hey, you can have your eyes open instead of it being closed. If you ever had one of those pictures where you're like, dang, this picture looks really good of me, but of course my eyes are closed. This actually changes the game up quite a bit. Also in just other videos, if like you're like, dang, I wish I was like looking up in more her eyes or more a head tilt, you know, you can get like exactly what you had thinking of in your head in real time. And you can do this with like pictures, I think up to like 1 megabyte in size, which is a decent size. I think they're having issues with it doing, you know, bigger, more detailed images. Like if you have like a, I don't know, 100 megabyte image, then yeah, you may have an issue with it. But for most images, I think you are pretty good. I think there's also a way that you can toggle on and off, so you don't have to highlight each individual with that yellow line as you are moving the photo. You can toggle that off and on, and you can just move the photo freely without having the line pop up. You can also download the image once you have it in the right position that you want it to be in. And that's not all. This thing can actually be downloaded. They do recommend you have a RTX 4090 GPU in order to run this, but you can also, of course, run this into like a virtual environment. If you want me to do something like that, just comment down below, virtual environment, and we could possibly do that. So you can actually download this and try it on your local computer. And in the GitHub, which I'll have linked down below, it'll show you what the requirements are and how to download it from the GitHub. I haven't personally downloaded it. I think the Hugging Face that I'm using right now is actually pretty good to use just to test it out. Right now, I think that's all I would actually need to do. I don't think I need it actually on my local computer, but tell me what you think about this. Do you think face poke is amazing and is the future of how you would pose a photo, especially if you're like some type of photographer, you want them to look the best they possibly can and give them more of their photos? It's gonna be really come in handy. Or do you think like, man, this is kind of basic, AI isn't real? I don't know. Tell me what you think. Your boy Dex Not Dexter out.